Now let's get a check. This is our Gage Goulding driving along the Southwest Freeway at the West Park Tollway. All right, this is a good shot here, Gage. Tell us what it's like driving in this mess.
Not fun, Sophia. This is miserable. Look at this. I mean, this is not what you want to be doing today. I mean, not what I want to be doing. Look at this. This is one of our cameras completely fogged up. We have to let me turn the wiper off. Let me give you a little glimpse of what we're dealing with out here. Southwest Freeway we're going inbound. Usually on a beautiful day, you can see the city skyline here. Chimney Rock Road exit is what we just passed, as you can see. As the wiper turns off, you're going to be able to see how quickly things accumulate. Look on the left side here. I don't know, photojournalist Oscar Chavez is manning this ship right now. Look at this. This is a lane right here. Not even a tire track in there, completely untouched. We've been talking about snowplows this entire week. Yeah, we don't have any. TxDOT saying they were bringing in roughly 24 plows or so. The city of Houston alone has 16,000 lane miles, and TxDOT is really just worried about the state highways, which you can see are not delightful. Easily a couple inches of of precipitation, wintry mix, whether it's a layer of sleet with snow on top and more coming down. And again, you can see our frame getting a little dusted up here by the snow. Turn our wipers back on so you can see. Another good vantage point is we swing around here. I want to say there has not been a lot of people on the road. I'm really happy for that because people are paying attention. They're, not driving, which is good. But this is, I mean, we're in a huge, I call it a Tonka truck 4x4 pickup. We're in a huge vehicle. A lot of these other cars we're seeing out here, we're looking at a pickup truck right now, but we have seen just regular old everyday cars out here, and that's just incredibly dangerous. See them sliding around. Talked to a coworker that came in and said, yeah, I had to drive really slow. My commute took twice as long. This is not fun. This is not what you want to be doing today, especially if you don't have to. Very dangerous driving conditions. Up north, we say these roads have been untouched. Down here in the south, I would just say this is absolutely dangerous. Sophia, if you don't have to be out here, don't. Even if you have a pickup truck, don't do it.
No, you're right. You're right. It is scary, and it's only going to get worse. Now, let me ask you before we go, Gage, have you seen any salt trucks or any plow trucks around you? I only saw one this morning coming in. Did you see them around your vehicle?
Yeah, super funny or weird, if you will. As soon as we pulled out of the station, which is right off Southwest Freeway, Sharpstown area, we kind of ran right into a convoy of TxDOT vehicles with brine, which they've been putting down. Brine is not going to help in this situation. We are past brine. We are in plow mode.
Right.
You need something to actually... Precip is accumulating on the road. I'm not sure. I didn't see them putting the brine down, but there was a convoy of about a dozen vehicles that were out there. So what they were doing with it, I don't know. But I don't know if it's necessarily going to be a game changer for what we have right now. Again, plows and salt is what's going to help make this commute safe. Yeah. And it isn't going to be today.
And it's not going to happen. Well, thank you, Gage, so much for getting a really close up of the roadways here. We will check back in with you soon. Now let's get over to